My name is Elathan Bowling. I'm a graduate of the 2025 class, and I'm majoring in performing arts. I've been performing for as long as I can remember, and honestly, I can't imagine doing anything else. I'm involved with a lot of different things on campus. I play Overwatch for the esports team. I'm in the concert band, the concert choir, chamber singers, rock band, and of course, everything theater related. But if I had to choose one thing that stands out for me, it's theater. I don't want to do anything else. I want to make a career out of it. Through my life of growing up at ACT, I've learned a lot more than just acting technique. Like, sure, I've honed my craft, but I've learned a lot of invaluable lessons, like these soft skills, how to connect with others, and time management, and how to stay organized. And these are things that aren't traditionally taught in classrooms. My ultimate goal is to come back to Eastern Kentucky and give back. And the arts have shaped who I am. And I'm excited to continue this journey and inspire others along the way.